Maybe your bills are starting to get a little bit out of control. You're not alone. Every homeowner across the country is feeling the pressure. Their gas, electric, water, sewer, taxes, insurance, they're all going up. And I don't even want to talk about all of the other expenses they have that are going up as well. And you are not the only one whose income is not keeping up with the expenses. And you're starting to feel pressure because you have this home, you love this home, this is where you want to reside, build a family, be a part of a community, and all of a sudden you're starting to see it slip away. And it's really worrisome because maybe you're getting in your head, you're starting to think, what if I have to sell it? Can I sell it? I don't want to leave. I like it here. These are all the questions that homeowners are asking all across the country. You may be able to qualify to build an accessory dwelling unit, a legal apartment in your home. You may be able to unlock the value of that home, create more income every month by converting the basement, the attic, the garage, or even build a building in the backyard to create cash flow every month, more income, so you don't have to worry. But like most homeowners, you're different than developers. See, I've been doing this for 30 years. I've been helping developers and owners build buildings. I've been New York City's Buildings Commissioner. I've been a code, zoning, and permitting expert. I've seen it all. And homeowners are challenged, whereas developers know the rules, they know how to play, and they know how to get it done. So as a homeowner, how are you going to make sure that you get what you need done? You need help. See, at ADU Advisory, we help homeowners see their goals through.